This 2026 Winnebago Micro Minnie is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 21 feet 11 inches in length and features a Modern Luxe interior, sleeps 5, auxiliary battery, self-contained, external shower, refrigerator, skylight, slide-out, air conditioning, water heater, smoke detector, LP detector, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, mid-living area. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Micro Minnie is 4,248 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.